Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly fascinating topic: the health benefits of consuming garlic at night. Garlic is a common kitchen ingredient, but did you know that it can transform your well-being while you sleep? Stick around as we uncover the science, benefits, and best ways to incorporate garlic into your nightly routine. The science behind garlic's health powers. The nutritional profile of garlic. Do you know that garlic is a powerhouse of nutrients packed into tiny cloves? A single clove of garlic 3 grams contains calories 4.5, carbohydrates 1 gram, protein 0.2 grams, fat 0 grams, fiber 0.1 grams, vitamin C 1% of the recommended daily allowance ARDA, vitamin B6 2% of the ARDA, manganese 2% of the ARDA. In addition to these nutrients, garlic contains a host of bioactive compounds, the most notable being allicin, which is responsible for many of its health benefits. The power of allicin. Allicin is a sulfur-containing compound that forms when garlic is chopped, crushed, or chewed. It's known for its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Allicin is unstable, and it converts to other sulfur-containing compounds such as diallyl disulfide, N-acetylcysteine, and agene, which are also beneficial. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Antioxidants in garlic, like allicin, combat oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals. This action helps reduce inflammation and prevent cellular damage, which is crucial for overall health and longevity. How garlic improves your heart health, immunity, and more. Heart health. Number 1. Reducing blood pressure. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a significant risk factor for cardiovascular diseases. Studies have shown that garlic supplementation can lead to significant reductions in blood pressure in people with hypertension. The active compounds in garlic help relax blood vessels by promoting the production of nitric oxide, which dilates them, and reducing the levels of angiotensin II, peptide that constricts blood vessels. Number 2. Lowering cholesterol levels. Garlic has been found to lower total and LDL bad cholesterol levels. LDL cholesterol can lead to plaque buildup in arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. By lowering LDL and potentially raising HDL good cholesterol, garlic supports heart health. On the immune system boost. Number 1. Antibacterial and antiviral properties. Garlic's allicin provides potent antibacterial and antiviral properties, helping the body fend off infections. Regular consumption of garlic can enhance the activity of immune cells, making the body more efficient in fighting off pathogens. Number 2. Reducing the severity of colds and flu. Several studies suggest that garlic supplementation reduces the severity and duration of common cold and flu symptoms. It does this by boosting the immune system's response and decreasing the incidence of illness. On its anti-cancer properties, garlic sulfur compounds have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Research indicates that regular consumption of garlic may reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including stomach and colorectal cancers. The compounds in garlic induce apoptosis, program cell death in cancer cells, and inhibit their proliferation. Do you know about bone health? Garlic prevents osteoporosis. Garlic's ability to increase estrogen levels in females can be beneficial for bone health, particularly in reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Animal studies have shown that garlic supplementation minimizes bone loss by increasing estrogen production. On anti-diabetic effects. Garlic regulates blood sugar levels. Garlic has shown promise in regulating blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or at risk of diabetes. It enhances insulin sensitivity and secretion, helping manage blood glucose levels more effectively. The best ways to consume garlic at night. Number 1. Raw garlic. Eating raw garlic is one of the best ways to ensure you get the maximum benefits. Crushing or chopping garlic activates allicin, so let it sit for a few minutes before consuming it. You can swallow small pieces with water like pills or mix minced garlic with honey to mellow its strong flavor. Number 2. Garlic tea. Garlic tea is a soothing way to consume garlic at night. Simply crush a couple of garlic cloves and steep them in hot water for about 10 minutes. Add honey and lemon to improve the taste and enhance its benefits. Number 2. Garlic oil. Garlic-infused oil can be a convenient and less pungent way to consume garlic. You can prepare it by simmering crushed garlic cloves in olive oil over low heat until they become golden brown. Strain the oil and use it as a dressing or take a teaspoonful before bed. Number 3. Garlic supplements. For those who find the taste of garlic too strong, garlic supplements are a good alternative. Look for supplements standardized to contain a significant amount of allicin. However, always consult with the healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Now, let's talk about garlic's role in enhancing sleep quality and sexual health. Number 1. Alleviating insomnia. Garlic is rich in magnesium and potassium, minerals that play a role in sleep regulation. Magnesium helps activate mechanisms that calm the body and mind, while potassium aids in muscle relaxation. Consuming garlic can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restorative sleep. Number 2. Reducing anxiety and stress. The sulfur compounds in garlic have been shown to reduce oxidative stress and anxiety levels. By alleviating stress, garlic indirectly promotes better sleep quality. Some studies suggest that garlic can increase serotonin levels, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and sleep. Number 3. Boosting libido. Garlic has been used as an aphrodisiac for centuries. It improves blood circulation, which is vital for sexual health. Better circulation can enhance libido and sexual performance. The selenium and vitamin B6 in garlic are also crucial for hormone regulation. Number 4. Improving male fertility. Studies have shown that garlic can improve male fertility by enhancing sperm production and quality. The antioxidants in garlic protect sperm from oxidative damage, while its ability to improve blood flow ensures better delivery of nutrients to the reproductive organs. Latest studies on garlic's health benefits. Recent research continues to highlight the broad spectrum of garlic's health benefits. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that aged garlic extract significantly reduces coronary artery calcium, a marker for plaque buildup and heart disease risk. Another study in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine showed that garlic supplementation could lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, supporting cardiovascular health. According to a study by Ansari et al., 2020, garlic is a polyphenolic and organosulfur-enriched nutraceutical spice consumed since ancient times. Garlic and its secondary metabolites have shown excellent health-promoting and disease-preventing effects on many human common diseases, such as cancer, cardiovascular and metabolic disorders, blood pressure, and diabetes, through its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and lipid-lowering properties, as demonstrated in several in vitro, in vivo, and clinical studies. The present review aims to provide a comprehensive overview on the consumption of garlic, garlic preparation, garlic extract, and garlic extract-derived bioactive constituents on oxidative stress, inflammation, cancer, cardiovascular, and metabolic disorders, skin, bone, and other common diseases. Practical tips for garlic consumption. Number 1. Start slow. If you're new to consuming garlic, start with small amounts to avoid digestive discomfort. Number 2. Combine with other foods. Garlic can enhance the flavor and health benefits of many dishes. Combine it with other nutritious foods like honey, lemon, or olive oil. Number 3. Maintain a balanced diet. While garlic is beneficial, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet rich in various nutrients for overall health. We hope you found this information enlightening and useful. Remember, integrating garlic into your nightly routine can bring about significant health improvements. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful health tips and secrets. Your engagement helps us create content that matters to you. Thank you for watching. We are committed to your health and well-being. Please note that The information and materials included on this channel are for educational and general purposes only and are not intended to be substitutes for medical treatment by a healthcare professional. Due to unique individual needs, the viewers should consult their physicians to determine the appropriateness of the information for the viewer's situation. Please, if you have or suspect a medical or health problem, promptly contact your healthcare provider. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful health tips at no cost. Also share the video with your loved ones. Thank you. We really appreciate you being here. Until next time, stay healthy.